Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be driving through the St. Andrew area. We are currently on Stony Hill Road and straight ahead is Constant Spring Road. So we are at the intersection of Stony Hill Road and Constant Spring Road. We are in the Manor Park area and straight ahead that's the Manor Park Plaza. So today we're going to be driving on Constant Spring Road towards Halfway Tree. And Halfway Tree is the busiest place in Jamaica. Up to 250,000 people a day pass through Halfway Tree. So all the roads leading to Halfway Tree are very busy. Okay, we just passed that left turn. If we turn left, that would take us into the Norbrook area. And if we turn left here, it take us into the Manor Park Plaza. So this is Constant Spring Road, and we're heading towards Olivia Road and to pass over Olivia Road and head down towards Halfway Tree. So there's always traffic at this spot because of the buses. On the left, you can see the bus. There is a bus stop where they can pull off the road and stop so they don't interfere with the flow of traffic. But of course, you know, the indiscipline, the bus has stopped in the middle of the road just to collect a passenger. And there is a police officer on the right. However, they look like they are more doing, you saw those cars, that's probably a government official. So the police officer was like an outrider who would help them get through traffic. Alright, as you can see, Constant Spring Road is a very nice road, a dual carriageway. It was recently upgraded. That building on the left is Discount Center. It's a very iconic landmark in the Manor Park area, has been there for a very long time. On the right, I'm not sure if you'll see it, but on the right, that's where the Constant Spring Market used to be. But that market was demolished, and I think I heard a plaza was to be built, but no construction has started over there yet, so I'm not sure what's going on. Okay, on the left is the Constant Spring Golf Club, and on the right is Manor Center, which is a plaza. And if you notice this concrete barricade in the middle of the road, that's to help ensure, it's basically to stop people from making illegal turns. Unfortunately, there's a lot of indiscipline on the roads in Jamaica, and you need those concrete barricades to help curb the indiscipline. Okay, at this intersection, if we turn right, we would go into Cassava Peace, and where you see that blue wall on the right, that's the Constant Spring Police Station. So on the left is still the Constant Spring Golf Club. And we're coming up to a building on the left that is a jerk chicken restaurant, or a restaurant in Jamaica, very popular for selling jerk chicken. It's called Pepper Time. Now on the right is a Juicy Patties. Okay, at this intersection, if we turn left, that is the entrance to the Constant Spring Golf Club and also to the Immaculate Conception High School for girls. If we turn left, that takes us into the Constant Spring Post Office and the Constant Spring Tax Office. I think the official name is the St. Andrew Revenue Center, but most persons just refer to it as the Constant Spring Tax Office. So this is the intersection where we would turn left and right. Now coming up on the left is a plaza, the Super Valley Town Center. Very nice plaza. It was recently opened. Took forever to build, but it's open now. Where you see the palm trees and where that car is on the left, that's the entrance and the exit. Very nice plaza. You have a lot of food stores. You have a supermarket. It's built in a populated area, so naturally it's going to do well. That's the formula you need for a successful plaza in Jamaica. Nice big supermarket and a lot of food stores. They have Wendy's, Domino's, Cafe Blue, restaurants upstairs, an Indian restaurant, a Chinese restaurant. So they have a Devon House ice cream. They have on court. So it's a very successful plaza, very popular. Okay, we just passed Bank of Nova Scotia on the left, and then we're passing NCB on the left now. And we're coming up to an area they call Mary Brown's Corner. So at the stoplight we're coming up to, if we turn right, that takes us on to Mannings Hill Road. And if we go straight, as we are going to, we stay on Constant Spring Road and head towards the intersection with Shortwood Road, and then on to Halfway Tree. You saw how that bus just swerved out into the road. Wait, that's another. They saw the cars with the blue lights flashing and the police outrider. That's the second one, because we passed one earlier up in Manor Park. That's the second one. Not sure what's going on today, but something is going on when you have all this activity with the government officials. All right, at this intersection now, if we turn right, we would go on to West Avenue, and that takes us down to Washington Boulevard. Coming up now, if we turn left at this intersection where that car is, that takes us into the Grand Spen area. And one thing we should point out is there are a lot of plazas on Constant Spring Road. A lot. As a matter of fact, Constant Spring Road has more plazas or shopping centers or malls than any other road in Jamaica. This is a very busy shopping area, and that's probably one of the reasons why this road was upgraded recently. Okay, at the stoplight ahead, if we turn left, we go on to Shortwood Road. If we turn right, that takes us on to Central Avenue. And this intersection was recently, there were some changes to the intersection. So where we are now, you can turn right onto Central Avenue. But when you're on Central Avenue, you can't come up to Constant Spring Road and turn left or right. So you can only make a right turn here. You can't use Central Avenue to get back onto Constant Spring Road. That was a traffic change they made. And we just passed a building under construction. I must say the construction industry, or in Jamaica, it's booming. Almost every road you go on, there is some sort of construction. Every main road, whether it's apartment buildings or commercial buildings, some sort of construction is going on. Alright, we're now coming up to the intersection with, well, not this stoplight though. The next stoplight ahead, or the stoplight we're coming up to, that is the intersection with Dunrobin Avenue. And Dunrobin Avenue is one of the main roads that takes you into and out of the city of Kingston. So if you're coming from outside of Kingston, coming into Kingston, you would take Mandela Highway onto Washington Boulevard, and then from Washington Boulevard onto Dunrobin Avenue, then come up to this intersection where we are and head down towards Halfway Tree. Because as we said, Halfway Tree is the busiest place in Jamaica. So technically all roads will eventually lead to Halfway Tree. So that's the intersection with Dunrobin Avenue. And that's the main thoroughfare that you would use to enter and leave the city of Kingston when you're in the St. Andrew area. Alright guys, so we're heading towards the Halfway Tree area now. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.